Now, I've heard some persons complain that each time they eat, they get bloated. Even if it's a little food, their stomach is just so big and uncomfortable. Now, I need you to understand that amongst many things that could cause this, your gut may be the reason why this occurs. And some of your habits might be irritating your gut more than you realize, hence the bloating. Some of these habits are eating too fast. I know some of you just want to, especially if the meal is your favorite, you just want to eat everything once. It can irritate your guts. Take your food slowly. Another one is constantly eating highly processed foods. What's it called? Your burger, your pizza, your canned foods, a number of them, you know them. These things irritate your guts. Another important one is not getting enough fiber. Your gut thrives on fiber. It needs fiber to help break down food, to help push out things that are not supposed to reside in your gut for a long time. That is the work of the fiber rich foods. That is why you hear me on this page. I sing it as a song. You see protein, you see fiber, you see healthy fats. I sing it as a song here because it is very needful for your gut health. So, besties, ensure that you eat more fiber rich foods. You cannot go wrong with fiber and you cannot eat too much of fiber. It's very much needed for your gut health. Then another one is chronic stress, not drinking enough water, and the overuse of certain medications without supervision or prescription. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that affects your digestion and your overall health. So when your gut is not healthy or is not happy, you would experience bloating, constipation, diarrhea, or discomfort. So better daily habits will make a huge difference and you'll be well on your way to healing your guts. I hope this helps you. Don't say Zoba did not give you this information. No. That's what we do here. See you in my next one.